Hey, and welcome back to the channel, everybody. How are you all doing? This is a very quick video about attaching the universal joint trolley to the front motor mount trolley via some 20 by 20 by 2 mil thick box and some 25 by 25 2 mil thick boxes, a sleeve over that attaches to the front tang of the front motor mount trolley system. So this enables you to join the two trolleys so they move in unison with your surge axis. I've made it like this so then you can adjust the 20 by 20 inside 25 by 25 sleeve over, because your distance between your universal trolley and your front motor mount trolley may be different to mine. All users will be different depending on how tall you are, how long your legs are, etc. So this allows tweaking. For reference, the length between my two trolleys from front motor mount tang to the universal joint motor mount tang is 940 millimeters in length, and basically the 20 by 20 is bolted via a bolt into the universal trolley tang, and again a bolt runs through the 25 by 25 by 2 mil sleeve over, bolt runs through that into the front motor mount trolley tang, and you just join them so then you've got all the correct clearances for your trolley, so you're not running out of rail both on the fore movement or on the aft movement for your universal trolley. Also, you've got to make sure your front trolley is going to clear the pivot caster underneath here on its aft travel, and of course you want to make sure the front trolley system is not running off the rails at the front of the mid frame. So they're the elements that you're balancing to determine the length of your connecting rod here between the two trolleys, that and your size, and comfort for your legs from your sitting position to your pedal cage. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this has been helpful. Until I see you in the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and take it easy out there.